How to delete Uber trip history. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete our Uber trip history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically delete your trip history on Uber, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is make sure to launch the Uber application. So let's say over time there have been many visits about you from this place to that place. You don't want the app to keep it all, so maybe you would like to delete your trip history. Well, you can do that if you just come to the account tab from the bottom right, and you will see this type of interface. Now at the top right hand side you will find an option called activity. This option used to be called trips before, but now it is renamed as activity. So tap on the activity tab and you will see any sort of activities of the places that you've visited and the rides that you have made. So you can select that particular activity and then delete them. Now if it doesn't work, the only thing you can try to do is delete your account, and once you delete your account you can reopen the account with the same phone number, so to see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.